Hey guys, welcome back to our episode here. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you've subscribed. I hope you liked. You're getting those notifications to see when we post this on our Winning Wednesdays. Lots and lots of winners I'm hoping for today. We have 5 tickets, the $5 million Gold Rush Classics here at the Florida Lottery. $20 a piece, so we have $100 worth of tickets today. Let's hope we walk away with that $5 million. Talking about top prizes left here with this one here. Again, it's not real time for it, but it's pretty darn close for it. So we have 2 $5 million prizes left. There are 11 $1 million prizes left. There are 8 $100,000 prizes left, and there are still 212 $10,000 prizes left on this particular game, which is the $5 million Gold Rush Classic. 0 to 9, so that is going to be the end of the pack if we consider 000 as the beginning. But actually, this was the beginning when they loaded it at the Publix when I bought them. As you can see from the little square there, this is the beginning of it. So I have the first 5 tickets out of this. This is what I like to play, or the beginning or the ends of the books. I feel that that is going to be the best odds for it. This one here for odds is 1 in 2.99. Let's see if we can have all 5 of these $5 million Gold Rush Classic tickets be winners. Let's get scratching, guys. So I'm going to set the other ones over there, play exactly as I normally do. The first one that came out is going to be 0 to 9. We are going to go ahead and start scratching with 0 to 9. So this one is a lot of scratching with lots of winning numbers, but that is okay. There are really no bonuses here. We do have the 5 times symbol, 10 times symbol. If you get the gold bar, you win $500 automatically. And if you get the money bag symbol, you get all 20 prizes shown for that. So first number 3, 22, 1, 31, 11, look at all those ones, 18, 19, and 9 are going to be our winning numbers. So 1, 3, 9, 11, 18, 19, 22, and 31 are going to be the winning numbers we are looking on this ticket number 0 to 9. 24, 6, 4, 37, 36, 30, 27, 20, 7, 14, 25, 34, 16, 38, a number 8, number 26. Come on, let's get that gold bar, $500 automatically, or that 5 times 10 times symbol. 35, 23, 21, and last one over here is 15, nothing on 0 to 9. That's okay, we're gonna push that one out of the way, keep going. 0 to 8 is what we are looking at here. So $5 million Gold Rush, 0 to 8 is the ticket number we are playing here. Diving right in, 14 is going to be your first winning number, 33, 34, 23, 13, 25, 26, and 36. So there's no single digits in this one here. So 13, 14, 23, 25, 26, 33, 34, 36. So 10s, 20s, and 30s is what we're looking for in this one. So single digit there, we know that that's not up there. So number 8, number 3, number 22, number 4, number 31, 24, 15, 38, 19, 16, 11, 35, close, we have 33, 34, 36, but no 35. 18, 9, 12, 20, 7, number 1, number 30. And last one for this one is 21. Nothing for this ticket, 0 to 8. Totally fine because we're going to move on to 0 to 7. Hopefully we can get that 10 times, 5 times, or the gold symbol. Heck, I'd even take that money bag and get all 20 prizes shown. We're going to get right into this. So we have number 33, number 15, number 26, number 32, number 35, number 27, number 1, and number 23. So we're looking at 1, 15, 23, 26, 27, 32, 33, and 35 for our numbers. A good variety of numbers there. Number 24, number 12, number 17. I thought that was a number 1 when I first started scratching. 36, 22, 28, 25, 8, 19, 4, 7, 31, 15. Uh-oh, we got a winner there. So 15 is going to be one of our winners. Number 9, let's see if we can add to that there. Number 3. Number 21, is your heart racing yet? Mine is. I want to know what's under there. 39, 13, 16, and 6. So number 15 is going to be our only number on this here. Let's hope for something big. So number 15, little zeros, that's okay. So minimum of this one is going to be $20. Let's see, and it's a $25 winner. So awesome. So we got $25 from that one there. Not too shabby. So $5 Million Gold Rush Classic, number 15 matches up here, and that is going to be a $25 winner for 0 to 7. So moving on, we still have 2 more tickets. I have 0 to 6 coming up right now. So with 0 to 6 we have down here, let's get scratching. 27, 30, 16, 38, 1, 37, 18, and number 15. I'm going to do some different rows and different orders for this one here. 21, 29, maybe some superstition behind that there to switch it up a little. We'll see. 25, 20, 28, top row, 34, number 6, number 23, 24, 7, hit the bottom row down here, number 9, number 26, 35, 33, number 8, number 11, 36, 19, let's hope that there's some numbers hiding over here that we can get, or some symbols. I'll take symbols. 32, and 3. Nothing on this one. Ticket number 0 to 6. That's okay. We still have number 0 to 5. I'm pulling that out right now. Maybe this will be our big winner. 0 to 5. We had 0 to 9 the whole way to 0 to 5. This is going to be that big winner, I hope. So please don't forget, like, subscribe, get those notifications. Make sure you know when we're posting our new videos, especially on Wednesdays, because it's Win It Wednesdays. 16, 15, 27, 9, 21, 19, 17, and 39. So a little bit of variety there. 9, 15, 16, 17, 19, 21, 27, and 39 are going to be our numbers. 36, 23, 32, 8, 4, 29, 20, 35, 6, 31, 13, 18, all in between like the last one, 15, 16, 17, and then it skips to 19 and we got 18. That's okay, we'll keep going with this one here. 38, 26, 24, 22, 7, 37, 33, and our last number for this one here is number 11. I do not see a number 11 up there, so 025 is a $0 winner. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. We have all of these tickets here, and we are looking at one winner, 027 for $25 is what we have. Thank you so much for watching. It was a scratch-tastic day. We will see you again soon. I know some people talk about the line up at the top of these tickets. I'm going to try and keep track of those so you can see that some people say those lines are the lucky lines. Who knows? We'll find out in a little bit. Thanks for watching.